fancy feast this morning because Mom forgot to cook the chicken yesterday. That doesn't upset her, though. She's fine with that. Johnny's coming back home tonight. Yeah, Johnny's coming back home today, so you'll be happy about that. He's been at his dad's house, in case that wasn't clear. Wow, it feels refreshing out here. I don't know how we got so lucky. The humidity's down, the temp is down. It feels great. There was a deer right here last night eating along the edge. And so I'm worried about what they might have damaged in my yard last night. But everything I can see from a distance looks okay out here, including the impatiens. I'll have to go look closer. I just see a cardinal out there on the gnome home. He flew to the gargoyle. Nice. I did catch some birds eating the mahonia yesterday. I have to do a wider angle area because I don't know which particular stem they're going to go to. But male, female, cardinal. Oh, there's a bluebird just came in for a landing on the mahonia. Carolina wren and maybe some other birds. It's very popular, those berries. Good morning, Morris. I love how you're talking to me. Are you going to come over right away? Come on, Morris. Oh, he got confused. Thought he should follow me versus continue jumping up. Come on, Morris. Come on. There you go. Here you go. Good boy. Good boy. Stripe's in the house. I'm assuming he's going to want to come out in a minute. He's over there eating dry chow. Here you go, Mart. Here's some dry chow, Marty. I'm struggling to figure out just the right amount of food inside and outside and not get ate by the chickens and not get ruined by the flies, and it's just harder in the summer. It's harder in the summer and adjusting without my sweet boy out here in the morning. Here's his angel statue, which I fill up with him every morning with water. The other kitties might use it, but Tux would sit there for a while. That was just the one he really liked. I mean, he drank out of this one too, but he really liked the angel. It has a little leak and I keep it filled for him anyway. Hi, Morris. Good boy. Well, I didn't see any deer damage down front. I've watered a few things, but there's a chance we're going to get rain overnight, so I didn't water much. We'll give the rain a chance to happen. You know, I kind of know what can wait and what can't wait. I think that's the guys down the, road by the environmental park taking off for the morning with their dump trucks. Could be from construction. Morris is already someplace. He's not hanging out. Well, he was asleep here this morning, but he eats and then he leaves, or then he roams. Stripe, I walked away, so he didn't really have time to come out. Now Marty's asking to go back in and out and in. Yeah, I understand, Mart. You can go inside. Stripe's up top on the Lego bins. Well, we don't have a lot of time, but we did snag on a DMV appointment for Friday. Somebody must have canceled. I want to walk for an hour. This is the nicest morning walk we've had. It's cool. It's refreshing. Let's walk.
It is very nice.
Very nice. Well, I'd like to see more blanket flower, but I do see black-eyed Susans and I guess some cosmos and some other things in there, so it's certainly not nothing. Well, I don't have any time to spare today, so hopefully I won't get held up multiple times at any stoplights, and I'll get there in the allotted normal quote-unquote time. Ruby says it's 73, but we'll see once we get out of the garage. For yes, I'm doing 39 and a 35. Just be quiet. Oh, goodness. never recording at the right time, but Ruby came off the exit ramp, had her turn signal on, didn't overslow, didn't wait to the end of the ramp to get over because it was clear. I mean, she couldn't have handled that any better. She handled it exactly like I would have handled it. So I'm really pleased about what she did. And I'm going to try to chill here again and let her, you know, make the decision up here about how she wants to navigate this this intersection here. I would have never got behind the truck. I would have been in the middle lane. But let's see what she does. She better not make me miss. As of right now, I can still get there on time. There's another car behind me, but not in the middle lane yet. People do turn right on red here. I do it all the time. You have good visibility to the left as long as a big vehicle isn't blocking your view here at the intersection. All right, Ruby. Okay, the truck in front is getting antsy. Thinking, all right, it is clear to go. Is she gonna go on red? Oh, she is, baby. Stay in your lane, Ruby. Stay in your lane. All right, she put her turn signal on to get over. I'm watching in the mirrors. I'm all clear. You know, Ruby, we could not cross so many lanes if you would just get in the middle turn lane instead of on the right. But okay, no illegal maneuvers there. Phew. You're right, guys. She's handling it. All right, my lower back has been pulsed. Hopefully it wasn't a mistake not to put the paddle up on my left shoulder blade area. I should always have my purse on that shoulder, and by the end of shopping day, even though it's just walks from the car to where I'm going or whatever, because I put it in the cart at Whole Food and Guardian Angel, it still tends to start agitating it, even though it's only short periods of time. Oh, I didn't put climate on. I didn't think about it. The air conditioner's still been working great. Well, I checked Mr. Maples Tuesday, 10 at 10, and no autumn moon put out. They'll release it sometime this year. I'm not worried. It's fun to go look at what ones are out there this week. It changed. I'll do it again on Thursdays. I was going to say, I guess if I were going to find anything today, I would want a plant pot. I'm always looking for a large, well-priced, good condition plant pot. Well, they've done such a nice job with this display today. Remember, I love cobalt blue, but I'm not taking it home, but I like it. It's pretty. What is this piece? I didn't know. It covers a soup tureen. It's too big for butter. I don't know. It's kind of neat. Well, obviously that's going home with me. Already done. I don't love this, but if this one's going to be free, I'll take it home for 4th of July, I guess. And, well, it is Royal Norfolk. I'll take it home for 4th of July and put it out. Don't have to keep it if I don't love it afterward. That one is Biltmore Estate, and that was my guess before I turned it around. It originally went for $27.50 at some gift shop, and they've got $12.99 on it here. You know, if I would pay a little more for it because it's bigger, but that's more than I want to pay. Besides, I just have them in a box in the attic until someday I decide to make room to display them somewhere, maybe on the village tree for a month. This is a great Corel serving set. You know, I swear I have the plates, but probably not the lunch plates. God, they have 89 cents on the plates and 79. What do they have on the bowls? Well, that's really inexpensive in comparison to usual. I might have to buy 4 of each. That would be $10. Placemats are $1, and isn't that pretty? As I was walking into Whole Foods, I got an ant bite. I think I stepped in that when I got my reusable bags out of the back of the car. It's not the worst bite ever, but it's not good either. And then at Guardian Angel, I noticed this on Ruby, and I have no clue when or where. It's not super bad, but you know, obviously it made me sad. I got my groceries over here. I had a reasonable shopping experience today, but I only rate this store a 4 out of 5 because, number one, too many products I want throughout the store are on the top shelf, and usually all of the product from the front is gone and I can't reach it. And either I hurt myself, climb on something, or have to call somebody over for help every week. And then the other reason is they used to have a cart return just, you know, 3 spaces the other side of that Tesla. And, you know, it was easy to return my car. Now I have to walk the hill twice, which I guess I should be thanking Whole Foods for contributing to the Tesla Ruby exercise program, but still, I want the cart return where it used to be. Well, the good thing about Sam driving Johnny home instead of their father is you get to visit with the kitties.
Absolutely. I've got my leg warmer here, but he's more of an arm warmer right now.
Right. He's doing good. He's liking the attention. I'll see if I can find Morris.